Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web download failed error. So what you need to do is to check your internet connection. So go to the bottom and click Wi-Fi. So click Wi-Fi and you can switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. So make sure your internet connection is stable. You can also turn this off for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on. Connect to a Wi Fi and see if that works. Next, keep your phone connected. So, WhatsApp Web relies on your phone to stay sync for some media. Ensure your phone is turned on. Connect your phone to the internet. Then, open the WhatsApp app and wait for it to sync. Then, try again and see if that works. Next is to refresh WhatsApp Web. So, click this refresh icon or reload icon to reload the page and see if that works. Next is to clear your browser cache. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to settings. Next, once you're here, go to the left side and select privacy and security. Next, select delete browsing data, then choose the time frame. Then down here, make sure you check cache images and files and also cookies and other site data. Then go to the bottom and select delete data to confirm the action. Once done, go back to WhatsApp web and see if that works. Next is to disable browser extensions. So click the three dots in the top right, then go to extensions, then go to manage extensions. So here, temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or download managers can interfere with WhatsApp web. So once disabled, go back to WhatsApp web, then reload the page and try downloading the file again. So to download the file, so just right click on the file, then click download. Then see if that works. Next is to update the browser. Or you can use another browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, etc. So to update the browser, click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and go to Help. Then go to About Google Chrome if you're using Chrome. Then install it to the latest version. So once updated, go back to WhatsApp web and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.